Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed Gedagudi. This traditional Nepali mixed bean soup, also known as quadi, is a truly wholesome and flavorful dish. It's celebrated for its nutritional value, especially its high protein content, making it a fantastic meal for any time of year. We'll cover everything from soaking the beans to simmering a delicious, aromatic soup. To begin, you'll need a mix of 9 different beans, like black gram, green gram, and chickpeas, totaling about 150 grams. Essential spices include 2 teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Don't forget fresh ingredients such as 3 medium onions, 4 medium tomatoes, and 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, and about 1 liter of water. The first crucial step is soaking your mixed beans for 3 to 4 days until they sprout, which enhances their nutritional value. Next, chop your onions and tomatoes and have your ginger garlic paste ready. In a pressure cooker, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add whole spices like cumin seeds and bay leaves, letting them splutter for about 1 minute. Then, add the chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a lovely golden brown, followed by the ginger garlic paste. Now add the sprouted beans, chopped tomatoes, and all your powdered spices, including turmeric, cumin, and coriander, to the cooker. Stir everything thoroughly to combine the flavors. Pour in about 1 liter of water, close the pressure cooker, and cook for approximately 15 minutes. Once done, garnish your delicious mixed Gedagudi with fresh coriander leaves. Serve this hearty, protein-rich soup hot, either on its own or alongside rice, roti, or beaten rice for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.